I'm at Carter Road. I can walk inside, but I don't want to. I don't want to get into the. There's something I'd really like to shoot now. There's a gentleman feeding crows and dogs over there. So this is the lockdown in Mumbai. This is Bandra, the seafront. Emergency response, mobile surveillance, control, command center. I'm walking outside. Keep up the good job. I said keep up the good job. They need to be fed. He's feeding the dogs, stray dogs. And the crows are also asking for some. This is it, you know. And I tell you once more, please feed stray animals, cats, dogs. They really need your help. A human being can do anything. He can beg. But what does the dog, cat do? So please, feed animals. And there's one thing I learned. Again, I would like to say that initially I was a photographer, then I became a blogger. And once I became a blogger, I learned a very important lesson in life. And that was called moderation. I was young at that time, but I learned one thing, not to post anything that hurts any religion, community, ethnicity or gender. And that has helped me all this while. And now that I am a YouTuber, I take care that I don't include any frame of a child if he's naked or something, or anything that can be misinterpreted. And I have been following YouTube guidelines, and I'm not political, I don't comment on politics, but I do shoot politics when elections take place, and that series is called Dance of Democracy. So I have shot the earlier elections, Baba Siddiqui, Mr. Eber Khan, Ashish Shelar ji. I have shot all that. And I'm walking now on Carter Road. I did not go to Bandstand. I already shot it yesterday. But you guys in the house, at home, you all should see what I'm trying to show you. The importance of the lockdown. You have to stay indoors. I need to walk because of my sugar problem. And I have a press card. So there's the lady inside the thing. This is Carter Road. One thing I learned, never to break laws, not to go against the laws, to follow the laws strictly, because as a photographer, videographer, documentarist, it's very important to follow the guidelines and not to take the law in my hand. And I must tell you now, I'm dressed normally, no turbans, no Sufi caps, none of those things, because I've stopped wearing it. In Bandra it is okay. on Hill Road or something. While I was playing tennis, I would wear my turban or my sufi bag, but not anymore. This is the Pali Hill Colony Western Railway. I had a doctor friend over here, Dr. Rajesh. We lost touch. And this building you see across, I did the owner's wedding dress. He was Mr. Devendra Ghai, United Builders or something. And this building is like this for last maybe 25 years or more. I used to work at Bada Saab those days as a designer. My feet hurt because I started my walk at about 5:30 p.m. Now I'll walk up till the end of Khardanda. So this is Carter Road. Absolutely no walkers, no joggers. I think I will I need to sit down somewhere. My legs are hurting like mad. Thank you. This building is actually Dev Sagar. I said United Builders by mistake, so I rectified. The builder was Mr. Devendra Ghai. I did his wedding clothes at Bada Saab many years back, late 80s. It's absolutely quiet. I have never seen Carter Road like this. Never. A lot of cyclists. But I've not spotted any walker or a jogger. There are some guys walking inside. This is Starlit building. My friend Kaleem Khan used to stay in this building years back. Police. Wow. The college is Oceanic. Very famous building. कैसे हैं साहब? कैसे आप? You all are doing a very good job. Keep it up. मैंने कभी कार्टर रोड को खाली नहीं देखा है. नहीं सही है. The Mumbai police is doing a fantastic job of controlling the crowds. I am really proud, and these are people who are really in khaki, who are really helping us, and they are human also. I mean, they could lose their temper it happens to all of us, but they are so cool. And our new Commissioner of Police, Mr. Hemant Nagrale, has given such a beautiful advice to them to be polite, to be human. This is something I don't think any commissioner in the past has ever done. I'm really proud of you, sir. And you are the only police department that I have the number on my mobile phone. You all are amazing people, the Mumbai police. Really, really great. And I'm very close to the Mumbai police because the officers of Advocate Ashish Shelar in my building, they are very good. And all of them. Even yesterday I met the police at bandstand, and they are having a tough time because the crowds, the people, how many people can you? There are 4 or 5 of them on one end, and there are so many now there's an opening here, anybody can walk in. But still, but another thing I must tell you, the Mumbai crowd, the Mumbai people, they are very, very good. You don't see this. They are respecting the lockdown. And this is what I like to tell you all, that you have to stay indoor. I am coming here because of my health. It is deteriorating because my sugar has been shooting up. My tennis has stopped, as I explained to you all earlier. I have kidney problem also. But as I said, our doctors, our health personnel, frontline warriors, all of them have done a fabulous job. And I think, I'm not a political guy at all, but I think all political parties should come together to fight this common enemy instead of bitching about each other, and instead of, Twitter has got so much of venom. I think Mr. Jack, he enjoys all this. There's so much of hate. There's no humanity. I'm on Twitter since 2008, and I respect Twitter terms, guidelines, everything. I don't talk about politics. And in my 65 years or more, I've never joined a political party at all, whether Congress, BJP, Samajwadi Party, Shiv Sena, no. I have remained independent. अभी आप ही लोगों के बारे में बोल रहा हूँ मैं आप ही लोगों के बारे में बोल रहा हूँ कि जो आप कर रहे हो ना वो बेमिसाल है, क्योंकि इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट. आई टेल यू, यू आर अ ह्यूमन बीइंग. और आपसे एक और बात कहूँगा, आपके जो कमिश्नर हेमंत नगराले साहब है, ये पहला कमिश्नर है लाइफ में जिससे पुलिस वालों को बोला है कि ज़रा बी काम, बी पोलाइट, डोंट बी लाइक तमिलनाडु पुलिस और दिल्ली पुलिस. सो आई एम रियली प्राउड ऑफ यू ऑल. आई एम अ मुंबईकर एंड मी हार्ट पेशेंट है, बट I am also a photojournalist. So I thank you all from the bottom of my heart. And be safe, sir. This is the Mumbai police. The Mumbai police is an amazing body, entity that has done a lot for us. And it's not easy. Can impose a lockdown, but to execute it takes a lot of time. And this is what I'm trying to show you through my videos. So this is, I'm still far away from Danda. This is all quiet. Here's Children's Park, and you can see nothing.